Well, hello, YouTube friends and family. It's Frank here once again with another video. This video, I actually forgot I had it in my footage files. I recorded this golf cart ride riding through the Emma Villas probably a few weeks or so back. It was rather overcast that day, as we can clearly see. Gray skies, it had been raining, but I went ahead and rode through there anyways just to get a quick glimpse of the recently constructed Emma Villas. These Emma Villas sit almost right against the Allura Villas. Both of these villa neighborhoods sit within the Village of Hawkins, which is going to be right off Megason Road. So as I ride through this neighborhood, I believe I would normally ride up one side of the street. I would turn it around and ride down the other side, try to get a full view of all the homes and the models that are contained within this villa. And these particular villas are all your patio villas with the carports. You're going to have havens right there. You're going to have a haven with a garage. You may see a utopia or a nest and a few other of these patio villas with carports. Some of the larger patio villas, as you can see, are going to have a 1.5 car garage or a 2-car garage. Some of these larger ones come with a white picket fence and a front lanai. In case anybody ever had a thought, the grass that you see is a St. Augustine sod. And this is what all the standard homes come with now. As they continue the dream, they build these homes and they drop in St. Augustine sod. The roads were still very dirty and muddy when I went through there. They may have cleaned all of this up by now since I actually rode through this villa. Kind of like that one right there on the corner. Some of these corner lots with these homes are generally going to be larger, have your side lanai, perhaps even a short front one. Such as these homes right here where they got a front lanai and a 1.5 car garage. However, this home here did have a golf cart garage. And this neighborhood does have tankless water heaters and gas hookups to this villa neighborhood. And there are several models of homes to choose from in here. There was still a lot of, contractors out there doing what they need to do. Probably tidying up loose ends, doing some interior construction, things of that nature. Also, I would just like to add, the last time I checked the Village's website, the Village's app, these particular patio villas within the Emma Villa neighborhood, I saw everything already pending. I think I saw one emerald model that was still available, but everything is pending. It just seems like a mass exodus to get to the villages. You would need to contact the Village's sales team for further information and any details concerning sales. For those of you who are actually interested, it would be well worth keeping in touch with the sales agent. You just never know when something becomes available. Sometimes there may be a pending deal that falls through that may not always go through, or somebody backs out. So I would stay in touch in case something should come available here in the near future. Now, I did want to add here that when you purchase a patio villa, or a smaller home within the villages, just bear in mind that if you come from a large home, you will probably need to get rid of most of all of your stuff. A lot of these homes, depending on the model that you buy, come with very little storage. You will be surprised as to how little storage space that you have. You may get a few little cubby holes here and there, but you're going to probably need to get rid of most of your items unless you plan on just bringing some of your furniture with you. You know, if you're coming in from a large home down to a much smaller one, that's going to be an encumbersome task. But you will also be relieving yourself of a lot of stuff, and it could be very relieving. You know, there's a sense of freedom from being too bogged down with a lot of stuff, if you know what I mean. But anyway, as always, this is going to conclude this golf cart ride riding through the Emma Villas within the Village of Hawkins. I hope you enjoyed this little gray day of our cart ride. And as always, please subscribe to the channel, click that like button, and ring the notification bell. It really helps us out. You'll be notified as to when I upload a new video. It helps the YouTube algorithm to get our video content out to more viewers and being part of the Village's continuing the dream. And have a great day.